Good morning, candidates. Good morning. Now I'm going to tell you about, say, uh, banking questions that can be expected. Banking questions that can be expected. Basic banking interview questions. What is a bank? Bank is a financial institution which accepts deposits from the public for the purpose of lending. What are the types of banks? Earlier, when this was written, it was called as nationalized banks. Now you can call it public sector banks, followed by private banks, foreign banks, regional rural banks, cooperative banks, industrial banks. What is a nationalized bank? No, it should be called as public sector bank. Banks which are owned and run by Government of India. More than 50% capital is owned by Government of India. Now syndicate bank is no longer there. Now Canara Bank only is there. When banks are nationalized in 1969, 14 banks were nationalized. In 1986, banks were nationalized. What is a private bank? Banks which are owned and run by individuals are called private banks. Karnataka Bank, Karur Vysya Bank, Lakshmi Vilas Bank is now no longer there. It is now DBS Bank. What are foreign banks? Banks which are foreign originated are called foreign banks. Example, Citibank. No, Yes Bank is not a foreign bank. Yes Bank is not a foreign bank. Lakshmi Vilas Bank also has been taken over by DBS Bank. I can change it here, Acha. DBS Bank. So let me change here also. The nationalized banks, this can be taken away by us. We can call it as public sector banks. Public sector banks. 12 public sector banks are there. Then syndicate bank has been merged with the Canara Bank. Okay. Then, okay, fine. Then this is all fine. Excellent. Citibank. Yes Bank is a private sector bank. Number 7. What is RBI? Reserve Bank of India. When was it established? It was established in 1935. Its head office is in Mumbai. Present governor of RBI is Shakti Kanta Das. Shakti Kanta Das. Its functions: issue of currency notes, acts as bankers' bank, maintains foreign exchange reserves, maintains CRR and SLR, and also acts as bankers to government. Acts as bankers to government, maintains CRR, SLR, and monetary policy management. Okay. RBI is also called as bankers' bank because all banks will have accounts with RBI. It provides funds to all banks. Hence, it is called bank. Whenever it's needed, it provides. What is RRBs? Main purpose of RRBs is to improve banking habit in rural areas and save farmers, spelling wrong, FARMERS, from money lenders. Regional rural banks works under supervision of NABARD. NABARD head office is at Mumbai. An example of RRBs, I think this has to be looked into because many changes have taken place. I think I can give you Tamil Nadu Gramina Bank. Likewise, you please get to know the present details. Every Gramina Bank is sponsored by a nationalized bank. Yeah, every Gramina Bank is nationalized by sponsored by a nationalized bank. Then see, central government has 50% capital, followed by state government state government 15%, and sponsoring bank has 35% capital in RRBs. Okay, fine. Share, yeah, this has been already, oh, this is what I was telling you, and it has been given here. Very good. Just come here. What are cooperative banks? The main purpose of cooperative banks is to cooperate small scale industries and to provide small loans. Bellary District Cooperative Bank. What are industrial bank? The main purpose of industrial bank is to provide big loans to large scale industries. IDBI Bank, of course, this has become a commercial bank now. Now a commercial bank. Small industries, Development Bank of India, or IFCI, like that, a few financial institutions. Next is, what are the types of accounts? Savings account. The main purpose of SB account is to encourage small savings from the public. Interest paid on SB account, it varies from bank to bank. Some banks give 2.75%. Any individual can open an account. An Indian residing at abroad can open an NRI account. NRI represents non-resident Indians. NRI represents non-resident Indians. Current account, it is a running and active account. No interest is paid on current account. Current accounts can be opened on firm names and individual names also, like proprietor, partnership, limited companies. Even individuals can also open. But on firm names, you cannot open SB account. Fixed deposit account. Fixed deposit account, amount is kept for a fixed period. Higher rate of interest will be paid on this account. A recurring deposit, a fixed amount can be deposited in a monthly installment. Interest rate is same as fixed deposit. What is a check? Check is a negotiable instrument containing a conditional order to pay a sum of money to the person mentioned on it or to the bearer of the instrument. What is crossing? Two parallel lines drawn on top left corner of the check. What is account payee check? Account payee checks can be routed only through the beneficiaries' accounts. What is post-dated check? The date on the check beyond the today's date. That is, today is 10th August. If a check is dated 11th August 2021, it is a post-dated check. What is a stale check? A check is valid for 3 months. This is old one. A check is valid for 3 months. If the date on the check is before 3 months, this has been taken from an old material. Then the check becomes a stale check. Right on today. Today is 10th August 2021. If you get a check dated 9th May 2021 or any date prior to that, that is a stale check. What is a mutilated check? Torn or damaged check. What is at par check? It is payable anywhere in India. What is multi-city check? A check which is payable in any branch of a particular bank. What is repo rate? The rate at which RBI lends money to other banks for 1 day to 90 days. That is short term. Okay. Present repo rate is 4%. What is today's date? I should give here because it's any time it can change. What is today's date? 10th August 2021. What is reverse repo rate? The rate at which RBI pays interest to the banks for the funds parked with them. Present reverse repo rate is 3.35. 3.35%. Which bank is called central bank? RBI is also called as central bank. What is internet banking? Banking through internet. Similarly, mobile banking. What is inflation? It is a state where money loses the value. Money loses the value and hence prices will go up or decreasing the value of money. What is deflation? It is opposite of inflation. Money will have more par value. Here the product loses the value. Okay. What is debit cum ATM card? The customer can deposit and withdraw cash by means of magnetic ATM card. What is ATM? Automatic teller machine. What is PLR and BPLR? I think this may not be required now because some changes have taken place. Now we can have this as the 28th. What is a credit card? Credit card is a plastic instrument that can be used for the purchase of goods and services. You can buy the services and then pay to cash to the bank. Limits will be fixed on the net worth of the customer. Leading credit cards are Visa card, MasterCard. Then you have one more now, RuPay cards. But of course, MasterCard has been prohibited to be issued now because they are maintaining records of the cards outside the country. What is an NRI account? The NRI stands for non-resident Indian. An Indian who is residing abroad can open an SB account in Indian bank. These are called NRI account. What is CRR SLR? Cash reserve ratio. It is a ratio of physical cash that every bank has to keep with the RBI. At present, it is 4%. At present, it is 4%. SLR, it is a ratio of liquid assets that every bank has to keep with RBI. At present, it is 18%. This has to be kept in the form of cash, gold, and government securities. What is RTGS and NEFT? RTGS, real-time gross settlement. NEFT, National Electronic Funds Transfer, through which funds can be transferred from one bank to another bank. RTGS, minimum rupees 2 lakhs and no maximum limit. Okay, what is NPA? NPA, non-performing asset. When a loan becomes bad, that is, it is not paid for 90 days and above, it is called NPA. What is online banking? Nothing but anywhere banking. Nothing but is not required. Anywhere banking. A customer can operate his account from any branch of a particular bank. Know about the bank which you are attending. Online banking. This is not online banking. That is, I think they are asking about core banking. Core banking solution. Core banking solution is one where all bank branches are interconnected and you can operate from any branch of the bank. So when you go to any bank for interview, please know about the bank for which you are attending interview. General questions. Why do you choose banking as your career? Are you ready to work in rural place or anywhere in India? What are your strengths and weaknesses? 10 years down the line, where would you see yourself? People who are appearing for PO will say, I see myself as senior manager. Do you read newspaper? Yes. Tell some newspaper. Why should we give this job to you? Because I possess the required skills and knowledge. I am very much interested in growing with a banking organization. Banking gives excellent job opportunities. I am good in marketing. I am good in time management. I am a creative person. I possess leadership styles. I can manage with people. I can motivate people. I can encourage people. I take up extra responsibilities whenever required. So these are the points I thought I should give you today itself. And so thank you so much.